everyone, welcome to my Korean channel. So today's menu is a izakaya style. Make a yakitori. I use a fry pan for baking this time, but it's recommended to grill it over charcoal. For example, after barbecue, it will give them more flavor and taste even better. So I delivered Japanese oishi to you today. So okay, let's get started.
So okay, these are today's ingredients. So I use cooking sake in the video, but white wine can also be used. A sweet white wine would be even better. And you can use onions instead of leeks to make a delicious yakitori. So okay, remove the skin first, because I don't like a fatty meat and the skin makes it difficult to cut. However, some izakaya serve yakitori with the skin on, so you can use it if you like. And then wipe off the water well with a kitchen roll. So next, cut off the thicker parts of the meat to make it as even as possible. And then cut the chicken thighs into 5 equal pieces. So furthermore, cut them into about 4 equal pieces. So in other words, you only need about 15 to 20 cut chicken thighs, like this. So next, sprinkle the cut chicken thigh with salt and black pepper and 1 tablespoon of cooking sake. So this will remove the odor from the thigh and help it to absorb the flavors. So leave this for about 5 minutes. So in the meantime, cut the leeks. So cut them into lengths of roughly 2 cm. And if you use onions instead of leeks, you will still make a great yakitori. So in Japan, yakitori is made with leek or with onions depending on the region. So both are tasty because of their sweetness when grilled. So okay, the ingredients are ready. So thread these onto bamboo skewers. So alternate the bamboo skewer with the chicken and cut leeks. So skewer the remaining ingredients in the same way. And when the leeks are gone, skewer all the remaining thigh on a bamboo skewers. So okay, let's cook the yakitori. So set the heat to medium and add half tablespoon of vegetable oil. And after the pan is warm enough, add the yakitori and cook until browned or for about 3 minutes. So okay, now turn this over. So okay, while the other side is cooking, let's prepare the yakitori sauce. So in a small bowl, mix the 3 seasonings. So first, 2 tablespoons of soya sauce, 1 tablespoon of sugar, and 2 tablespoons of cooking sake or sweet white wine. And then lightly stir to combine. And the sugar will be heated in the fry pan, so there is no need to dissolve it all here. So okay, 3 minutes has passed. So add the sauce and make sure the yakitori are well coated with yakitori sauce. So when the water in the sauce has evaporated and the sauce has thickened slightly, the yakitori is ready. So the kitchen is wrapped with the good smell of cooked yakitori. So serve on a plate and finish with the sauce left in the pan. Have a look, looks very tasty, doesn't it? So the slightly sweet sauce and the juicy thigh go perfectly with the grilled and sweetened leeks. Of course, it's delicious eaten as is, but in Japan, it's also popular served on rice in a yakitori don, a grilled chicken bowl. So please give them a try. So thank you for watching and see you in my next video. Bye!